Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to customize automated emails sent after a contact or intake form is submitted on your B12 website. In the left sidebar, go to Website, then Pages, and locate the contact form you'd like to edit. From here, you can customize the automated email response sent to clients after they submit the form. These emails are sent immediately after submission, which can include personalized details from the client's response. They're designed to reassure clients that their message or sign-up was received. Under From, select the email address you want to appear as the sender. To customize this option, make sure email sending and forwarding are already set up. For more information, check the link in the description. Under Template, you can customize the form submission email. You can enable or disable the email and edit the subject line. Text and media are customizable under Content. Texts in purple fields are smart tokens, which automatically pull in details like the client's name, invoice number, or due date. When the email is sent, each token is replaced with the correct information for that specific client. Once you're finished, click Save. Scroll down to Automated Emails to You. This section controls the email notifications you receive when a form is submitted. These emails help you stay updated on client activity on your website. You can edit the From address and add CC or BCC recipients. The email template here is fully customizable as well. All changes you make will take effect after saving. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.